A very good morning to one and all present here today. I, Tinu Anand, on behalf of Geeta Ratan International Business School, welcome you all for the Personality Development Workshop on Thinking Out of Box and Creativity. Geeta Ratan International Business School, GIFS, was established in the year 2004 and is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Delhi, is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India for its management courses, Bar Council of India for its law courses. The institute conducts program of MBA first and second shift, MBA International Business, BBA first and second shift, BBA LLB, BA LLB. The institute is accredited as A grade by NAC and assessed as Category A plus by Joint Assessment Committee of Government of Delhi and Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. The institute has been rated Grade A by Academic Audit Cell of GGS IP University consecutively from past 8 years. GIFS has also been rated number 2 by Times B School Survey 2018, 2019 and 21. At GIFS, thrust is given on overall personality development of students so that they can be prepared to face changes that they may encounter in their competitive professional life with value-based approach. Apart from providing quality education, emphasis is also given to develop leadership qualities, risk-taking abilities, and decision-making skills right from the beginning of the student's professional education. Going by this agenda, the institute conducts personality development workshop on regular basis. The workshop on out-of-box thinking and creativity, thinking out of box and creativity is a sequel to aforementioned objective. If everyone just accepted things the way they are, then there would never be any innovation or improvement in the world. Keeping this aspect in mind, the workshop is organized to lead our students for improving their ability to think creatively and embarrassing, stepping outside the comfort zone. To address on the topic, we have a very eminent personality with us, Miss Anjali Datta, who's having a 20 plus years of experience in creativity, and experience in developing students, developing domain. Kindly mute everyone. She's the founder director of Train Me Academy from 2010 onwards. She's a motivational speaker with proven skills of in designing and conducting customized training. She's a senior HR. She headed many of the senior HR training and development positions in popular brands in automobile sectors like Denso, Fiat, Hero, and have been retained by many of the training agencies like Centum, NIC, Sparta, Golibo, Gyan Learning Solutions, and many more. We welcome you, ma'am. It's a privilege to have you, ma'am, here. Without taking much of time, I request our speaker, Anjali ma'am, to enlighten students with her vast knowledge. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. Over to you, ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, everyone, for Tinu, ma'am, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Can my screen be seen? I'm just observing, there is some stillness in the screen, Is it's visible as of now?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can you just quickly do something about it? Yeah. It's in the meeting
Could
itself.
it be possible that you can rejoin again?
Yeah,
Could it be
yeah.
possible you can rejoin?
Yeah. I do.
Yes, ma'am.
Not
A very good morning to all of you. This is Anjali Datta from Train Me Academy. It is my privilege to be here always with young minds. And the topic also we have chosen today is very, very interesting. So I would like to extend my thanks to all of you there, young minds. And I think 1+1 is always 11. So I always believe that mutually by interaction or just by an active listening, we all will resonate excellence and we will make the best out of this time, whatever we have got. I know the time is little short for this technical, innovative topic, but still, okay. So good to go. So, ma'am, would you please share the slide, please, for my young students? And also, there are a lot of discourses which, like we have been coming from industry from a very long time. So there are a lot of discourses which you will like and you will want to know more about it. So you can just put it in the chat box. I will elaborate more. So, ma'am, can you just keep on scrolling so that, we can go. So first of all, like when this COVID came, probably we all were stuck, our life was stuck. We didn't know where to go. So what happened? I mean, today we are interfacing, we have a technology there, and we are able to take classes, and also we are getting degrees, and not only just one institute, entire world is working like that. So who had this creativity in the mind and said that let's knock out this COVID and let's roll on the life. So here we are. So children, whenever we are stuck with some challenges and problems, it is our brain who gives us ideas. And as it is said that creativity is the mother of invention. Creativity is the mother of invention. But there are two things here. Creativity is it's wide, it's huge. It has no structure. Whereas innovation is something which is structured. So today we are going to understand the difference between the two and how we can put together the creativity and the innovation to evolve ourselves. So, ma'am, you can go to the next slide, please, if possible. Yeah. So what is creativity? Can anybody tell me among the children, or you want me to discuss first? Innovation is a kind of a discovery, a new process, and something which has not been discovered so far. So innovation is something new. Whenever we want to do something new, but then what is the first step? Creativity is the first step towards any kind of innovation. So there is an idea, there is a brainstorming, then the idea comes, and that idea also has to go through a process. And the entire process gives result to something which is called some implementation, some execution, some invention, and that is called innovation. So we will have some videos also here where we will see that how a small idea can be converted into an innovation. So like I said, that this was the biggest problem, the COVID, then how we were able to overcome to channelize it into an innovation, the online classes, the online environment, the new normal. Yeah, the new normal. So how this new normal came into being? By the innovative ideas. But how it was implemented? It was implemented by structured process. So from where the structured process comes? The structured process comes by again a study, by brainstorming, by study, by implementation, by collecting data, and then. But then, do you think it's a science to be creative, or it's again an art? I think it's a beautiful science to be an artistic creator. I mean, when you are creative, any time of your day you can be creative, or you are creative, you are forced to be creative. That is my question is. So in workplace, why we are covering this topic for you? We are covering this topic because as you grow up, as you become intellectuals, as you become the managers or the entrepreneurs or whatever you want to do in your life, as you evolve yourself, you will realize that your creativity practice had always helped you to evolve yourself as a person, as a professional. So it's a good process to be innovative because that makes your creative very very interesting workplace to work. And also it's a skill of an every executive to give creative ideas. If there is no creativity, there is no innovation. If there is no innovation, then why do we need management skills? We need management skills to get a better business. So creativity is also in various domains. Creativity in marketing, creativity in business, creativity in commercialization, creativity in commercial ads, creativity in branding. So where is not? Creativity is everywhere. And you have to be understanding this, that creativity is something is the most sought after skill these days. If you're not creative enough, then probably you have lost the race. Ma'am, can we go to the next slide, please? Yeah. Ma'am, can we go to the next slide, please? Or can I do
Yes,
the
sir.
slide? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. The next slide. Okay. So, I mean, why it matters, why at all it matters, can it be monetized? It's said. Yes, of course. Innovation is always accompanied by commercialization. What is business? Can we work in any business without money? Can be each employee is expected to be the profit center. You are working in an organization for increasing the assets of the organization, for increasing the profitability of the organization, for the competitive advantage. If you think that you are not innovative, your market, I mean your competitors are going to get ahead. If you think about it, your manager would always want that you should be creative, or you are a leader of the organization. You need to motivate your employees to be creative. There are a lot of companies where there is an innovative day. There that day you have to give your ideas. You have to give your various ideas to the people. So from where all these things are coming, I'll give you a very good example. If some of you, your BBA students, technocrats, the engineers in the shop floor, from where this word Kaizen has come. Today I will explain you about Kaizen. Kaizen is an incremental change you try to bring out with different innovations. With small incremental changes, you are able to do cost-effective innovations. So when most of you, when you start working in an organization, you will find that a lot of people at the fourth level, at the blue collar level, are also expected to be creative. There are a lot of 5S meetings. There are a lot of round meetings, morning meetings where the brainstorming is done to think about an idea. So there are small. And what about your science projects when you are young? What about so many hacks? How many people are here who are YouTubers and Instagrammers? How many people love to be on Insta? Because when you see all those videos, what you see? Hacks. This hack, that hack, this hack, that hack. And this is innovativeness. This new ad has done this. This gimmick has been added here. This movie is very good because of this. Let us do this. So small changes which you are thinking on a daily basis are becoming part of innovation. Yes, ma'am, would you please keep on going to the next slide? So you need to have creativity for, you need to have, like, for example, creativity is not only for innovation in the terms of product, it can be for services also. Like there can be a environment damage control, there can be energy consumption control. So please think that creativity is not only for making some experiment and doing some, new building up some sun solar system, or devising something, a new device which is, on based on electrodes, and you can make a rain detector out of some plastic. No, it is all about something to do with synergy. You can also do a incremental innovation change in your workplace. Okay, or you can think of a idea that, fine, 3 hours in the day we will switch off the lights. This much consumption of electricity we are going to reduce. So that is again related to services. So what are the methods of innovation? There are various methods to innovation. One can be that, you find out that, okay, fine, this particular innovation I want to, ma'am, could you please go to the next slide? Implement this innovation by brainstorming. As I said, how do these workers at, ground level, they are not very educated. They do brainstorming, 5S meetings, good morning meetings, then they come to the workshop and then do it. And now, again, when a group of people, if I want to, like, for example, if we had this training in a physical form, I would have given you offline training. I would have given you a chart. This is a problem. 5 of you come together and solve. How will you solve this problem? So you all will put your ideas. You all will put your ideas and think about something. And again, there is empathy mapping. This is also very interesting. You all have to have, what is empathy? Empathy is having feelings to derive results by keeping everyone's behavior in control, by not hurting anyone. So you need to have an empathy that by doing this, we are not going to divulge ourselves in any kind of things which can erode some, basic ethics of the organization. So you have to do this. Again, you have to find out the constructive tools, that how you can build up the technology in a way that it surrounds the solution to a problem. It should not be a standalone problem. There has to be a Bell characterization. You need to have a proper characterization to that problem. See, again, I'll tell you, creativity, it has no shape. Creativity is wild. You can think about this idea, but innovation is always practical. You need to get very practical. Oh, this is possible. This is not possible. Sometimes you come with an idea, sir, let's do this. Why can't we do this? You put your technology into it but then what about the control? Your creativity has to be controlled by certain steps to bring out into reality. So that particular, idea has to be given to certain shape only by some limitations. So you need to remember that. Yes, ma'am. And you can slip that. So there are various team roles and team workers. Like, for example, you need to have different kind of roles for this innovation to happen. Like, for example, you will also, whenever you are doing a brainstorming, there will be a person who will be a specialist. Then there will be a person who will do the final shape to that particular idea. Somebody will coordinate. Somebody will do the evaluation on the sheet. Somebody is going to give lot of ideas. Somebody is going to collect the data. That is how you are going. Like, for example, if you people think that, sometimes the analysis of this vaccines are happening. So we are not fixing that only this vaccine is okay, good. It is final. but we are always doing innovations to it also. No, this vaccine is more popular in this particular country. Let's go with that. Let's get that. So all these things have to be nicely portrayed, nicely assessed. Then only the implementation test is done, and then we get the good results. And this brainstorming is a beautiful idea about how you do a team building. Now, and also you should always remember your future. Fine, innovation is fine. You're trying to be very, very innovative, high tech. But then what about the future? Is it the product which you have created is very good for your future? Is it nice? Is it feasible? Or it is, see, nothing is rocket science, but then again you have to be product, your product has to be future friendly also. You know what we will do with this innovation. So all those tests you have to, that we call feasibility test, and then again, man material method. If you heard about all these operations management ideas, statistics, you need to get those things in your mind, that how you're going to get those things in the future implemented. Now there are so many types of people in everybody in every organization. All fingers are not same. Now, for example, if you want to have a realistic picture that how you are going to map a day of your life, and how you can put some few minutes of innovation or creativity in that particular day, it will be really useful. Ma'am, after this, there is a video which I had put up. I would want that you play that just after this, please. Yeah. So what are the basic types of innovation? Again, I use the word incremental. If you remember, the small change, incremental change, very small. I mean, it's minuscule. Like, for example, I said it's a simple thing that you develop the habit that, every day you're going to do during the lunch hours, there should not be any electricity. Or you can do at home also. That, half an hour or 1 hour of the day, we are all going to switch off the light during the day. And we all are going to be in the sunlight or somewhere, and we are going to just measure. Or let's stop wasting water. As a habit, if we want half a cup of water, we will take only half a cup of water. We are not going to waste water. And then slowly and slowly you try to make some list out of it. Okay, finally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and put a tick. Make your own chart. Like, for example, I want to learn 5 new words every day. That's a habit. That's a habit you want to make. Good habit. That is also an innovation. Developing yourself. See, we are doing a personality development workshop, right? How it is important that you become creative, because if each student is going to develop this beautiful sense of creativity, you can imagine how much change we can bring in our environment, in our lives, in our institute, and ultimately your goal, your work environment where you are going to work. Trust me, if the environment of the people, environment of the organization is good, everyone works to work, and then you don't have to work for a day. Again, it's like, again, when you want to become more realistic, more radical change, that was a incremental change, small change, and radical is, suddenly. So I would, ma'am, if you can, Tinu ma'am can help me with that video of
Yes,
which
sir.
was 2v1. It's a, children would love that video, about about a person, how he made his, uh, a beautiful device he invented out of his cycle, just to be, now Valentine's Day is also coming, so you all are very excited to give roses to your lady loves. So here is a beautiful example that how a person who was just a daily earner, how he invented his cycle, changed it to a rowing boat to reach his lady love. So that we will see in the video. This is beautiful. Please enjoy this video. and also learn. Learning is really important. If you can make something out of it, this is really nice. You have a beautiful team out here. Yeah. So
मुझे हरा न था मुझे
Just a second.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge brighter connections, an email.
Hello, this is Randy with Excel for Freelancers, and welcome to the Physical Inventory.
Is it visible, ma'am?
yes, absolutely. Very good.
नाव का इंतजार मुझे गवारा न था मुझे मेरे प्यार से मिलना ही था मेरी बेकरारी ने मुझे आविष्कारी बना दिया पर प्यार को भी आविष्कार का सहारा लेना ही पड़ता आविष्कार ही मेरी नूर का नूर है नई खोज ही मेरी जिंदगी का जुनून है माई टेक्नोलॉजी
Okay. Yeah. So you saw, kids, that you know how he was a daily wage earner. He was not much equipped with things, but just because he had an ambition, he was wanting to do something in his life. Ma'am, can any one of you, one children, if you recommend, I can ask some questions for this. One child can, unmute or present, or I can ask some questions.
Devini?
Yeah. Anyone you can unmute and who is ready to answer some questions, so we can have an interface with the child. If
Devini?
possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly switch on your camera, please.
Ma'am, it's not working.
Okay. Can we, are you comfortable to interact with ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Ma'am, Devini is there.
Okay. Hi, Devini. This is Anjali Datta. It is nice to interact with you. We just saw a video, Devini, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the topic is very interesting. I think by far things would have been clear with you about creativity and innovation. So just looking at this, particular video, do you think that this Saidullah, Mr. Saidullah, had done justice to his role of being an innovator?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, the words which he was speaking were very innovative and creative.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, fine. So what about the new invention he did? He had a basic cycle, which he used to have. Obviously, the poor guy he was. But he was very determined to meet his lady love. So what did he do? He made small changes with his bicycle and he made some paddles out of it, swimming paddles. And then he made it like a boat, and then that obviously, was able to go to the next side of the river. So this was the small incremental he did. So do you think it's a good idea to be creative in life?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and how it enhances your overall personality. Can you share some, I mean, 1, 2 lines on it? I mean, how it is worth it?
Ma'am, being creative increases our imagination and we can use those imaginations in our business and industries to work.
Yes, yes. Very good. Thank you so much, Devini, for your first of all for listening and then your power pack interaction. Thank you so much, Tinu ma'am. Yeah, it
Thank
was a
you,
very
ma'am.
Any
good
other
idea.
student want to interact? Any other student want to interact? Muskan? Muskan, Ritvik?
Aditya Sharma also I can see. Any child wants to interact can unmute and open the camera and just
Kindly
interact.
raise your hand. Raise your
Yeah,
hand.
it's a good chance, because then I also can learn from you people. And it's a very rare phenomena that we get chance to meet young people like you. So you should help Anjali ma'am also. I
More
also
the
feel
more
young.
more of ma'am that video also like it shows like
Yeah,
there is was a great motivation that he was in love and that motivated him to create
yeah,
something new,
yes,
and that
yes,
too this much age.
yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. So good. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much, everyone. Lovely. So we can go to last few slides, ma'am, and then
Yes, ma'am. Surely.
let's close the session. Yeah, very nice. Good children are there. So whenever there is a COVID runs away, then we will have face-to-face interaction.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
kids, yeah, perfect. So we were going to the radical changes. So this Saidullah, Mr. Saidullah, he did a incremental change, small change, and then he was able to suffice. It was sufficient for him to row back and meet his lady love. But then this was one example. Whenever we have such situations, uh, the it's like it's a paradoxical to say, but then again sometimes it is not so easy to build up an innovation also. So though design thinking is coming up as one of the biggest challenging chapters of this management side, but then again implementation of these creative ideas needs a lot of it goes through a huge rattles when it comes to innovation. So whether it is any product driven organization or service driven organization, obviously these small incremental changes are helpful, but then it requires a lot of money to do such innovations in radical way, paradigm way, certain way. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So again, there is an architectural innovation. You would like to do something whenever there is an organization which is dealing with architecture. Obviously, you need to do the architectural innovations. You know how much cost it requires to do an architectural changes. So again, you can have a creative mindset. There are a lot of cities who are being changed overnight. If you've heard of, I remember I'll tell you a story of my old days. In the year 2005, I was heading Toyota Denso. It's an automobile giant and popularly known as Toyota, and it's number one company in the world when it comes to automobiles. Most of my expatriates, to disclaimer to their, reactions, they hated this, airport. They said, this kind of airport, why we have it and why can't we have it? So so from there, I remember now I want to bring those people back again. I'm sure they are coming back again and again, those expatriate bosses who used to be really angry with me that, why it can't be. But then one fine day it happened. Today, India's airport, Delhi airport and Hyderabad airport, they are one of the best airports. I mean, forget Singapore and all this, with a lot of international experience I had. I wandered almost 180 countries for my work. But then at the end of the day, there was a brain which did uniformly work on innovation. So that's how it is. So this is something beautiful. So architectural changes are also very happy to do. Yes, ma'am. So again, that's the same thing, Yeah. So there are 10 different kind of customer engagement, structure, process, profit model. Wherever you want to do an innovation, you can do it. It just you have to think about it. Like for example, there are a lot of advertising agencies who are building up different kind of, these days influencers. Now advertising is very different. Anybody who has got 50,000 or 10,000 or 1 million or this thing followers, ultimately they are becoming the brand. So they are taking the product in the hand, advertising in the Instagram, and then good to go. So what about the earlier advertising? Earlier advertisements, how they used to happen? Earlier, they used to print a newspaper and then bring some jingles in the TV and in the radio. So it was a very old-fashioned kind of a this thing offerings. So now things are changed, the processes are changed, the profit model is different, the services are different. That's how the configuration, offerings, and experience changes there. So more innovative people are coming, the more innovation is happening. So we have to be blessed in the place where, a lot of people are having, beautiful ideas, they are working. And that's why a lot of foreigners are doing this brain drain. They're carrying our brains. Why? Because of this mind, because of this brain, our people are in chunk going abroad. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So we understood that innovations are, again, why you are important today. You are important because you can levy change. You can, resonate big changes as an employee. Why it is part of NPD today? Because it enhances your value. If you do some value addition, what is productivity? Today I will tell you a definition. In TDR, in TDR, when you have to do lot of research changes, again, so what happens is that you you talk about productivity, you talk about innovativeness, you talk about quality, everything. Whenever you are working in an organization, you talk about 100% quality, efficiency. So what is efficiency? Efficiency is nothing but 100% performance. Work output, input, 100%. But then what about productivity? Productivity is efficiency plus value addition. So your value addition is what? Your value addition is creativity. So then again, you do your analysis and problem solving, man, machine, method, material. But then at the end of the day, what you will get? You will get good results only when you will do a long study of those problems. So problem solving also is an integral part of innovations. Now networking. These are certain ways of improving your creativity. These days, this is an era of networking. Social media networking, holistic networking, brand value, knowing people, it's all about word of mouth. And your assets are people. How much goodness you are selling, how much value as a goodwill ambassador to so many organizations. I always carry my own network, So as long as you want to survive in this tough competitive environment, your networking is very good. So be nice to your seniors. Say hello, hi to them. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Because in the longer run, you will be helped. So that is also an innovation. Yes? Yeah. And again, structure I spoke about. Processes, SOP. Every organization should have an SOP, a standard operating process. If you don't have any structure to an organization, your organization is going to fail. So you need to be innovative in the operating processes also. The better the operating processes, the better the people. Yes. So then you can align your ideas with them. Again, process. Process is very important. You remember For example, we are making a biscuit, and it is going throughout the entire process. Do you know which type of biscuits are coming to us? The biscuits which are following that the whole path, and they are coming as successful biscuits, as biscuits which have crossed that all the lines. They are considered to be foolproof processed biscuits, foolproof processed biscuits. They are the ideal finished products we want. So the process is important. Whenever there is a process mistake, your entire innovation is going to go in a sublime manner. It is going to get retarded automatically. So good processes are very important for success. Again, performance is again the functionality. What are the functions? How are you rated in any organization? How you are appreciated? It's again what you are doing in the organization that is quantified, that is known to you, that is a sustainable business. If each employee is not going to work as a profit center, I started in the beginning. Why it is important that we all learn creativity today, so that tomorrow we are into the top-notch performance category. We are not considered as the liability to the organization. Our functionality, our offerings improve to the organization. So our basic functionality can have a better edge. And again, the overall system. So the overall system has to be considered to be the most innovative part, because if you're not able to implement it, obviously the whole system is going to sag down. So the entire product, process, everything is related to your system only. Yeah, I think that is sufficient for the people there. Again, services, as I mentioned, that your offerings should be not only to products, innovation product, but your services. For example, we are training providers, right? Our training provider, as a training provider, Anjali ma'am cannot download. Like for example, we are doing this creativity and innovation. This particular offering to you is different from the offering to the corporate. So it cannot be a download. So in services, for example, your institute is among the top-notch institutes, and they maintain a beautiful this corporate culture too. I really like the way it's handled. So again, your offerings as a service should be very good in your domain. So otherwise, everything is going to fall again apart. So creativity is not only for the product, that you are making a cream, you are making a biscuit, so it is innovative, but it has to be innovative in totality. Now channel, now your offerings to your end users, channel partners. Now until and unless you add new channels and new product partners, you will never be again successful. You need to find out places that who can work on your behalf, the franchisee model, the people who are really going to be branches to your business. They are also very important. So again, you need to be innovative in the end. And then the brand, how you are going to impact a brand, how you are going to make your entire brand, do you all know what is brand equity and how it is maintained? The end result is brand. Whatever you are doing for your organization, for your business, you has to be represented as a brand. So if you want to basically put up you as a brand, like for example, tomorrow when you go for a job, you will make your CV. And I'm sure everyone sends a CV. You will not believe what kind of CVs are there in the market now. Again, your brand equity, how you're going to position yourself in the market, that is again a creative phenomenon. So how you do it. And then again, the customer engagement, how you're going to engage your customers is really important. Why customers should come to you? What are the policies, procedures? There are so many times, there are beautiful contests being organized, just when you open your product, there is something which is, free contest. So that's how the customer engagement is, how much love your customer is there. So why you all should innovate? Now that question, I think we have already answered, because we are a differentiator. Ma'am, I think that ends the this. You can close the slideshow now, here only. So how you are going to maintain your innovative question, that is very important. So just touching the 2 points very carefully now. Creativity is loose. Creativity is not tightened. Creativity you can apply creativity anywhere, any time of your life. But you should always remember the implementation needs a lot of tightened closed rooms. So they go through a process. So always remember that your process, your implementation, and your execution is very important, because that results to innovation. Thank you so much, people. It was really nice, and thank you so much for your opportunity to interact with young minds, young people, and I really enjoy this topic. And thank you, Tinu ma'am, for your beautiful coordination and support. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom and knowledge and your kind words with our students. It is going to, what I believe, like, yes, you are very true that innovation and creativity never ends. It's just requires some back force or some instinct. Like it comes from within. So I do feel that it's going to, it's going to definitely help our students to develop their creativity and see things in different light. With this, I thank you so much, ma'am. I request all students kindly switch on your camera for a quick photograph. I request all students kindly switch on your cameras, please. Sometimes I believe like our students are very shy, to facing the cameras.
They should not be. They should not be, because the third, with this scenario, I think this 3x3 pain is going to help us. Yeah. So rather, I would ask them as a motivational speaker or personality developer that they should make more and more videos.
Yes, yes,
And,
yes.
yeah.
Yes. Kindly switch on your cameras, please. Ashruti is always initiator, but sometimes she see others, she backsteps. Shruti. Chalo. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.